Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we bring you another beautiful pre-owned automobile. What we have for sale that we just got in here is a 2005 Toyota Camry Solara two-door coupe XLE package with 76,000 original miles. Gorgeous car. Give you a quick walk around tour of it. California owned and operated since new. 2 owners. You can see all the details on our website, including this walk around video, tons of photos, description, and a free CARFAX report. Clean CARFAX, clean title. Just a really nice car. XLE, so it's going to have those alloy wheels, the glass sliding moonroof, full leather interior. Look at this, gorgeous, no rips, no tears, the nice wood grain accent. Leather everywhere. Super clean car. Steering wheel controls there. Have a seat really quick. We've got to turn the key on. I'll just start it. 76,536 miles. Your gauges there. Factory premium JBL CD player changer. Old school cassette deck. Climate control, air blows ice cold. Dual heated seats. You got some storage here. You got your cup holders here. Got some nice storage here. In here, that's my stuff. Locking glove box. All my papers in there. Got a nice little dash topper on here too. It's clean underneath. There's no cracks on the dash. Sliding sunroof. Works awesome. I'll pop the hood and the trunk for you. We'll go to the trunk first, I guess. Nice trunk with a cargo net. Beautiful. It's got fairly new BF Goodwrench tires all the way around. Lots of tread still left. Let's take a look under the hood. 3.3 liter V6. We just went through and serviced the entire car. It's got an oil change, did a transmission service. We didn't do the timing belt, but it's on the CARFAX. Timing belt was done with the water pump as part of the maintenance, so don't have to worry about that. Fairly new AAA battery. All brand new brakes all the way around, front and rear. So you got brand new brakes, new belts, by the way, underneath the hood as well. All the services are completely done and up to date. This car needs nothing but a new home. Well, there you go. 2005 Toyota Camry Solara XLE V6 with 76,000 original miles. Any questions? Give us a call. Our phone number's on the website, 909-969-0976. Send us a text. We offer financing, competitive rates, even on the older stuff like this. It's just a well-maintained car. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.